If your machine is equipped with a coolant support system, remove the parts catcher from the coolant reservoir, empty it, and clean it. If your machine is equipped with the material cooling system, clean or replace the pump filter bag in your coolant reservoir. First, wipe away any excess grease that you can see on the bearings. Then, reapply NLG I2 red lithium grease to the pillow block bearings. You can stop once the grease becomes visible again. There is a grease fitting on top of each pillow block that can be utilized for this process. This section is about the general cleanliness of your Dragon machine. Keeping your Dragon clean is essential in extending machine life as well as eliminating potential downtime. Start by performing an extensive cleaning of the gate using brake cleaner, glass cleaner, or any other non-corrosive cleaner. You can do the same thing with your tool head and actuators. If your machine is equipped with a breakaway torch, make sure to clean that as well. Next, wipe down your cable trays and rail. Clean the chuck and trolley, removing any dirt, grease, or plasma dust that may have accumulated on it. Finally, clean any other parts of your Dragon that may need attention.